Hello, this is Seth, Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Journey GT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white, it looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front here on your grille with your halogen headlights and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here we do have our 19-inch rims with our Komu brand tires. Rims look very nice. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we got that GT badging, the Journey all-wheel drive, and the Dodge, as well as you have your parking sensors down there. You can open it up just right here. You got your backup camera right there. Lots of room back here as well. Looks fantastic. You do have the cover here if you want to cover up whatever you're hauling back here. You can lift this up, and you got some room just underneath there as well. So you got lots and lots of storage. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. You do have 2 presses to activate your remote start as well. Remote start is especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer, get it nice and cool. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if the key is on your person, just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock, as well as you got the button there to unlock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have some chrome accenting, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Leather seats, feel fantastic. You do have the controls over your seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support there. Then you also have the controls over the lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control right there, and your fog lights if you press that in. Up here we also have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So keys in the cup holder, foot on the brake, press the button, and starts right up for us. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, which is 1,300, not very many at all. You can switch that around a bit to our fuel economy, vehicle speed, trip info, tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. In the center, we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM, as well as our media player if we have one hooked up through disc, USB, aux cord, SD card, or Bluetooth. We also have our controls over heated and vented seats, our outlet, and our screen off. You got the climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your navigation here. If you hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place. You have your phone options right here as well, and you do have your settings right there. Down here we do have our hazard lights, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost, and your traction control. Volume up and down with the power. Heat up and down. You have how the power for the climate control, off, auto. You have your browser and tuner there. CD player, SD card slot, and you have some storage there with an aux cord and USB plug-in. Cup holder here, and you do have your gear shift, and when you are in reverse you have the ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. In the center you have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You can move this out of the way, you got some extra storage in there. Over here we do have our locking glove box right there, looks great. And then up top you have the control over the sunroof, and you also have your sunglass holder, and there is our sunroof looking fantastic. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have that same chrome accenting, the control over your windows, handle, and some storage. Looks great back here. It is the leather as well, same material as the front. You can fold this down just like that. Then you got an armrest and some cup holders. Fold that back up. You can also fold this down just like this. Then you got some additional storage if you did need extra room. And then right here we do have some extra storage just underneath there. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Journey GT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.